Welcome to DeLin, where Luxury SPC Flooring begins with precision manufacturing. In our state-of-the-art facility, raw materials are carefully processed. Boards are pressed with high pressure and heat, and each plank is inspected too. Meet strict quality standards. The result? Durable, waterproof, and elegant SPC floors ready for homes, offices, and commercial spaces worldwide. DeLin SPC Flooring, built with craftsmanship, delivered with confidence.